If 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. First we are taking 2.3 power x is equal to 1000. So 2.3 power x is equal to 1000 means 10 power 3. So 2.3 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. This is equation number 1. Next I am taking 0.23 power y is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. So 0.23 power y is equal to same, this is also 10 cube. So 0.23 is equal to 10 power 3 by y. This is equation number 2. Now we are dividing 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2.3 by 0.23 is equal to right side 10 power 3 by x by 10 power 3 by y. So 2.3 can be written as 23 by 10 and 0.23 is 23 by 100 is equal to, this is a power m by a power n formula, a power m minus n. So 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y. We are using the formula a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. By using this formula it can be written as 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y. 23 by 10 same. This can be changes as 100 by 23. 23 cancel. Right side 10 power 3 common, 1 by x minus 1 by y. 100 cancel. Here 10 means 10 power 1 is equal to 10 power 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is answer. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3 over. Y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here what is given? Log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. To transform left side, it becomes 1 by 2 transform left side, it becomes 2 log x plus y by 3 is equal to right side log x plus log y. Here we are applying two fundamentals. One is n log x is equal to log x power n for left side value. For right side, log a plus log b is equal to log ab. We are applying these two fundamentals. N log x is equal to log x power n. This is first one. Log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. So left side it can be changes as log x plus y by 3 whole square. And right side log x into y. On both sides logarithms cancel. X plus y by 3 whole square is equal to xy. So square can be written as for numerator and for denominator. X plus y whole square by 3 square is equal to xy. X plus y whole square expansion. X square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 square value 9 is equal to xy. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9xy. Transform right side 9. So x square plus y square is equal to 9xy plus 2xy goes to right side minus 2xy. X square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy 7xy. Transform xy left side. x square plus y square by xy is equal to only 7. So it can be written as x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7. Here one x cancel, x by y. Here one y cancel, y by x is equal to 7. So this is answer. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. Over.